A disturbing video from Hunt County appears to show a sheriff's deputy hitting a pregnant woman with his fist. The woman was 38 weeks pregnant when CPS workers and police came to her house about a month ago. The woman says she was trying to stop them from taking her 18-month-old son when two police officers pinned her on a kitchen counter and one of them punched her several times in the back. NBC5 investigative reporter Scott Gordon joins us live from Greenville with the details on this story. Scott?
Well, Brian, police officers will tell you it's one of the toughest parts of their job, helping CPS remove children from their parents. That's exactly what was going on here. And in this case, the mother also happened to be very pregnant.
I stepped in front of my son and put my hands up and began screaming, "No, you're not touching my kid."
It was clearly an emotional scene when sheriff's deputies and CPS workers came to take Deanna Robinson's 18-month-old son because of an abuse investigation. This video captured what appeared to be one deputy hitting Robinson with a fist before the camera suddenly shuts off. She was 38 weeks pregnant at the time.
You know, again, repeatedly pressed into that counter and with my 18-month-old son watching his mother be assaulted and him screaming in fear and traumatized, watching his mother be beaten by law enforcement officers.
She spent 6 days in jail, her healthy baby boy Levi born 6 days after that. Robinson was arrested for resisting arrest, interfering with child custody, and assaulting an officer. She says the video proves it was the deputy who assaulted her.
It's ridiculous. It's insane. I was handcuffed, again, almost immediately, and shoved into a corner and pinned by two giant men. I wouldn't have had an opportunity to assault anyone. I didn't touch anyone. I didn't... There's nothing that warrant what they did to me.
Robinson, an Iraq war vet, has hired an attorney.
You know, there was no professionalism. There was brute force against her where she was obviously pregnant. It was not something that they could mistake.
They all just took offense that I knew my rights and asked for my rights to be respected. You're here to take my kid. Show me the warrant or the court order.
And tonight, Hunt County Sheriff Randy Meek says his office is investigating. He's not saying whether the deputy involved has been suspended. Reporting live in Greenville, Scott Gordon, NBC5.
I know you'll be following it for us. Thank you, Scott.